Hi everyone, my name's Jeanette at In My Seams, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys all of my TikTok hacks. I am so excited to do this video because I've gotten millions and millions of views for my TikTok hacks. I've gotten featured in TV shows and magazines and different features for these hacks, and I cannot wait to share them with you guys. I searched on YouTube TikTok fashion hacks, and a lot of my videos come up on the thumbnail because I'm big on TikTok for making these fashion hacks, and I just thought, hey, you know what? I need to make a video with all of my hacks in one place for you guys to reference and just take a look and see if this is a new hack that you have to try. So without further ado, don't forget to follow me on TikTok, follow me on Instagram as well. We're almost at 100K, which I'm so excited for, and I'm doing a huge giveaway at 100K, so make sure you guys follow me on Instagram for more style inspo and fashion hacks, and just more of me. I'm so excited, so let's just jump right in. Okay, so for hack number 1, you know when you lose your keys and you're rummaging through your bag and you have no idea where it is and you're like, oh my goodness, I just wish I knew where my keys were? Well, my hack for you today is to take off the strap of any bag that you have. Most of the time they have a little clasp. Take it off and just hook it straight onto your keys. You could wear it across your body as a crossbody. That key is not going anywhere, and honestly it's so nice because you don't have to rummage around your bag. I've worn my keys like this to the club. I've worn my keys like this to the grocery store. I've never lost my keys because of it. So hack number 1 is going to save your life. So for hack number 2, for a lot of our open back shirts or just like really low back shirts, instead of wearing a strapless bra or an adhesive bra or like a clear strap, just wear your lace cami backwards and then you get this really gorgeous lacy look on the back. It's super easy and it's honestly such a good lifesaver, especially for my ladies with a larger chest. Just get yourself a silk lacy cami and just put it on backwards. Trust me, this hack will save your life. It's so easy and I wear it all the time. For hack number 3, you guys already know the jeans hack. So I know that many of you guys know this, but all you're gonna do is you're gonna take a hair tie, you're gonna feed it through the buttonhole, and then you're gonna wrap that around and then hook it onto the button of the jeans. This is gonna give you just a little bit more room for dessert after a big meal, but I use this hack all the time. I use it when I'm at family dinners and I've had a little too much to eat, but that's okay because a little hair tie is going to be the quick fix for you. So yeah, this is probably by far one of my favorite hacks. I've seen it on Pinterest a lot. I've seen a lot of people do it. So it's nothing new, but I thought I would still mention it in this video. For my next style hack, if you have any purse that has a detachable strap, again, you can use it as a chain to your keys, but if it's a short strap, Amazon sells these gorgeous little short chain straps, which I've tried to make chain bra straps with before, and I will leave that video linked below. If you're a little DIY crafty person like I am, I really like it, but Amazon sells these chain straps, whether it's for a chain look, a chain necklace, anything, but I just took off the chain and I attached it to my bag, and it just gives it a little bit more of an elevated look. I love doing this with all my bags, especially if I just want to change it up a little bit. You can also do this hack with a little wallet on chain look as well. So if you have a wallet, you can just feed that chain through the wallet and it'll just give you a little wallet on chain look. For my next style hack, I did this a lot during the summer and I can't wait to do it again during the fall, but you're going to take a wide brim hat and a designer twilly scarf. It doesn't have to be designer. I just say it because if you want that designer look, like I bet you if Dior actually sold this hat, it would actually probably cost so much money, like a crazy amount of money, but getting a twilly scarf from a designer brand or your favorite brand, it definitely just elevates any look. I've shown you so many different ways to use that scarf, so I'll do a separate video on how to use your twilly scarves, but I like to wear them around my wide brim hat and you get this gorgeous branded wool hat look. The next hack is a little ruching hack. So if you have a tank top that you just want a little bit of ruching for, just grab a safety pin and maybe it's a little bit too loose in one area of your waist, so you want to just gather it up together. All you're going to do is you're going to go to the seam of the shirt where your clothes will meet, or the side, or wherever you want to put that ruching, and you'll take that safety pin and you'll weave it in and out of the shirt, and then you'll clasp it together and you'll just get this gorgeous ruched look. The next hack is if you're shopping for jeans, I recommend going for a buttonfly detail over a zip front detail. With the buttonfly, it tends to flatten out your stomach. So what I mean by buttonfly versus zip is these types of buttons, the jeans will be buttoned up like this versus zipped up. I highly recommend trying that out, especially for you guys who are conscious about your lower stomach and you just want it to be a little bit flatter. I find that that hack really helps when I'm shopping for jeans. The next hack I have is to wear your jumpsuits backwards. If you ever want like just a little bit different of a look. Now obviously this hack isn't going to work with all your jumpsuits or your backless jumpsuits or anything like that, but I highly recommend trying it out if you have a jumpsuit that maybe you want to do a high neck look. Just try it out depending on what your jumpsuit looks like. But for me, in this jumpsuit, it really looked good. It worked well. So maybe that's a hack that you can try just to change up your wardrobe, take a look at the pieces that you have, and just try to style them up a different way. My next style hack is anyone who has that Zara high neck bodysuit. We all got it. I know Zara's doing a few more colors this season, so I might pick up some, but I personally feel a little bit conscious about my nipple showing through, and I don't find any bras fit this bra at all. Even when I wear strapless, sometimes it's so low cut in the armhole that it shows off my bra as well. So I actually just took out the cups of any one of my sports bras or my bathing suits or anything that has a little bit of padding in it, and I literally slide it underneath. You can leave it like that, but if you're afraid that it's gonna move around and slide around, you can safety pin them at the base, at the bottom, and that should do the trick. Just make sure you're safety pinning it to the lining, not the front of the bodysuit. Otherwise, you can always use fashion tape to secure it in place, or you can just tack on sew on a little bit, like a little stitch around the four corners of the cup. That might be easy. So it's just a quick way to just cover the nip and just cover it up, and it makes it so much easier to wear. I literally wear this hack all the time whenever I'm wearing my high neck bodysuit. I love this one so much, and you guys did too. So yeah, my last and final hack that I'm so excited to share with you guys is I've been seeing this Nike bag from like Frankie's Collective. I think that's what it's called, but I've seen it literally everywhere, and I just really wanted that look, but the bags were always sold out. So I got the bright idea to type into eBay, because eBay has everything. I got the bright idea to type into eBay and look up a Nike pin, right? And I just got them in the mail, so I'm going to go ahead and show them to you. This little Nike pin here has just a pin like you would, it's a needle and it's got a pin in the back. You're going to grab your regular bag, whatever doesn't have branding, or a bag that maybe you're okay with piercing like a little small hole in. That's totally fine. It doesn't leave a big mark, especially if your bag is black like mine, but look how cute that is. I don't know if you guys can see that because of my ring light here, but literally so cute, right? This hack is just like by far one of my favorites. You could put this on anything, but personally, I think the pin looks the best on a bag. It's definitely one of my favorite hacks, and I was so excited to share them with you. So yeah, and I also have this nylon bag as well. Isn't that so cute? Literally looks like the bag that everyone's been wearing. So really happy with this. Those are all the hacks that I have to share with you guys today. I hope they changed your life in some way. I hope they were really useful to you. If this video was helpful to you, please give this video a big thumbs up. If you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel or follow me on Instagram already and on TikTok, make sure you come follow me on Instagram and TikTok to see more style hacks. And I just want to appreciate you guys and thank you so much for all the love and support always. You guys have no idea what your support means to me. It literally makes my dreams come true, and you guys are just so awesome. So I really appreciate the love and the support, all the encouragement that you guys constantly show me. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!